give the answer for this one? We'll see. It's a hard question. Who wrote the answer?
Round off.
Don't know, sir. I don't know round off at all.
Round off in what to do? Take the question and round like this kind of. That's all. Round off. Finished. Okay. What is the number? 38, 7?
No, sir.
38,000?
750.
750?
754.
Who said can't understand? Tell me. Who said I don't know? However, I don't know rounding off. Who said I don't know rounding off? Tell me.
Hikma.
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 Hikma, you come to the
Yeah.
mic. Here, Hikma. Others keep quiet. Hikma. Hikma.
Yes, sir. Came, sir.
You said no that you can't understand?
Came, sir. Came, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
You said you can't understand all. You can't understand anything. Sure.
Yeah, sure. I can't
I'm
understand
challenging
anything.
you. After I explain it, you can understand everything in rounding off. Sure. Shall we give a bet? Bet?
Don't, sir. Don't.
Albin? So if you,
Don't say
Okay,
she won't
thank
give
you.
even.
You
She
can
have
understand.
even.
huh?
Okay, sir.
Shall
Okay,
we give
sir.
a, so even with the others, shall we give a bet? So we'll see the Ikma can understand the question. You see?
Okay,
Ikma.
sir.
Right, okay. Look at it. Nearest what?
Nearest to 10.
Nearest 10. Next one, nearest?
100.
Nearest?
1000.
1000. Hikma, she said she can't understand. Now, Hikma, she's going to be give the answer and I'll help you. Then I'll give another question. We'll see she'll give the answer. Another 1, 2 question when I give it, she'll understand everything. Okay, look at this one. Nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. So, Hikma, what we should do it, listen, not only Hikma for the everyone I'm teaching, but Hikma said, no, can't understand. So, I'll come to that. Even others, even you don't know this method, sometime what I'm using. So, you know, we have this type of one, what we call wickets. What?
Abacus.
Abacus. In this one, we know this
Abacus.
corner place we call which place?
Unit space.
One's
One
place. Unit place. One's place. Next one.
10.
Next one.
100.
Next one.
100,000.
1000 place. Can you understand? Unit place, tens place,
Yes.
100 place, 1000 place. This is nothing to understand because already in grade 1, 2, 3 we finish it. Okay. So the abacus you know. Now tell me, so what is this number? Read it. 38,754. 38,754. 38,754. Same question I had to do in the all three methods, right? Now Hikma, tell me, in this one, the 10th are rounding off to nearest 10. No? Rounding off to nearest 10. So tell me, in these numbers, which number is there in the 10th place?
5.
5 is there. What do you want to go? What do you want to do it? You should go and touch that number. Touch mean what? Just mark it with the pencil. Mark it. Okay, I'll mark it. This is the 10th place number. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the place before it? What is the place before it? In this one, before place mean not the 100 place. 10th place. Before that place mean which place?
4.
Which place?
Unit.
Which place? Which place? Unit place. One's place.
One
What is the
place.
number on there?
4.
4. So keep it in your mind. If it's 5 or more than 5, clearly try to understand. If it's equal to 5 or if it's more than 5, you should add 1 to the number where you mark. Keep it in your mind. You can understand. So wait. I'll just after I finish everything, you can understand. Now listen this one and continuously concentrate it. Look at it. What I said. You should mark the 10th place number. What is the number? 5. What is the
5.
number after that? Means before this place. What is the place before it? What is the place before it? Place.
1.
One's place.
One.
What is the number on there? You should check the number.
One.
What is the number?
4.
4. I told you
4.
if it's 5 or greater than 5 mean you should add 1 here. If it's 5 or greater than 5 mean you should add 1. But this is not 5 or greater than 5. This is Lesser than
4.
5. Lesser than 5. This is lesser than
Lesser than 5.
if it's equal or greater than 5, you should add 1. Right? If it's lesser than 5, nothing to do. If it's lesser than 5, nothing to do. So tell me, nothing to do mean read this every number without this 4. Read it. Read it. 3, 8, 7, 5. 3,870.
3,800.
75.
7,
So this
5.
4 becomes as 0. This 4 becomes as
5.
this 4 becomes as 0. So
0.
what is the answer?
0.
38,700 and
38.
tell me
50.
38,700 and
50.
50. Sir, I can't understand. Okay, no
50.
problem. Wait. 50. You can't
50.
understand. Wait. We'll move to the next one. 100 place. Tell me in this one, what's the number in 100 place? Tell me, what is the number in 100 place? What is the number in 100 place?
7.
7. So, what is the place before it?
Tens place.
Tens place.
Tens.
What is the number in there?
5.
5. I told you if it's 5 or more than 5 mean what you should do?
Add one
Add
number.
1 where you mark. Which one you mark it? 100 place you mark it. No, add 1. Tell me what is the answer?
Then 3, 8,
3,
8, 5.
8,
3, 8, 8, 5.
8,
8.
5 it's not comes on. 3, 8, 8. These two becomes as what?
0.
Ah, that two becomes as
0.
zeros. Can you understand, Hikma? Sir, more than that, now little okay, but not clear. Wait, I'll come to the next one. 1000 place number. What is the 1000 place digit?
8.
8. What is the place before it?
100.
What is the number on there?
7.
7 mean greater than 5 or lesser than 5 or equal to 5?
Greater than 5.
Greater mean what we should do?
Add 1 to the
Add 1
marked
to the
place.
1000 place where we marked. Now tell me, if I add 1, what is the number? Read these two.
3,
3.
3,900.
No, wait. I'll just give the method. You will help me. 3 and what? When I add 1, what is this?
9.
9. These 3 becomes as what?
0.
Can you understand? Right.
Yes, sir.
Now what happened? The Hikma, here the level is this one and little by little now grown up. So we'll see. Sure, these are the answers. So mark this one. So I'll explain another one question for Hikma, another 1 or 2 question. Then she can clear about this one. So if your answers are correct, put correct. Who got these answers?
I got.
Who got these answers? You got it.
I
So
got.
others soon write this one. I'll give another question. Wait.
Sir,
It's corrected also.
sir,
Right. Finish. Wrote it. Wrote it.
yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now Hikma.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm just not doing that much. I just what is that? The only few things I'll go to help you. I'll just ask him from you. You have to give the
Yes, sir.
answers. Okay. Okay, madam. Look at this one. 7, 3, 8, 5, 6 of.
Okay, sir.
No. 3 and 7. Others don't write this one. If you want, you can write this one. Right. Okay. Hikma. Hikma.
Yes, sir.
Nearest
Yes,
tens
sir.
place. Tell me, in this number 73,837, what is the tens place number? Now you should give the answer. Tell me, nearest
Tens
tens
place
place
number
number.
3. 3.
What is the place before it?
Ones.
Ones place number is what?
7.
Greater than 5 or equal to
7.
5 or lesser than 5?
Greater than 5.
Greater 5 mean what to do?
Add 1 to the tens place.
Where we mark 10 place. Okay, tell me these numbers, read it.
7, 3, 8. 3, 8, 4.
4.
4, 0.
Okay,
0.
good. Now you see, Hikma understood. Very good. Then what is this? 73837. 100 place. No, I don't know. You tell me what to do.
Okay, in this, which number is at hundreds place?
Okay, what
And
is
mark
the
it.
100 place?
8.
What is the then we have what to do?
Before the
What is the
hundreds place,
place? What is the place before it?
place before it? Tens.
What is the number?
3.
3 means
It's lesser than 5.
lesser than 5 means
Lesser than 5.
can I do anything for this number?
Can't.
Can't. So what to do? Tell me.
Can't. So 3,
7.
7, 7, 3,
Hmm.
7,
800.
Others keep quiet. 7 3
7, 8,
7. No, can't see the
8.
7 3 7 3 8
8, 0, 0, and another 0.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Then tell me what is this?
Okay, sir. Nearest to the 1,000.
Tell me, Hikma, what to do first? You should find it. You have to finish it. Hikmo.
Find the place. In 1,000 place, 3 is there.
Okay.
3 is there. In near 1,000, 3 is there. Before the 1,000 place, we have to find which place greater. So we should. Sir.
Hmm?
So the answer is 773,000.
No, madam. You
Sir?
made a mistake. Even I didn't understand. Even it's not clear for me. Tell me 73,837. So first you have to find which place?
800.
800 place. Which place?
1,000 place.
1000 place. What is the 1000 place number? 1000 place number?
3.
3. What is the place before
3,
it?
3. 100.
What is the number in there?
100. 8.
8 mean lesser than 5, greater than 5, or equal to 5?
Greater than
What to do?
5.
Greater than 5
Add
mean what to do?
one number to the place.
What is the answer?
At
Tell
this
me.
place. 7.
7. 7.
4. 4.
4.
0. 0. 0.
Can you understand? Can you
0.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, I
we
got it.
understood. But who knows about the rounding off very well? Tell me. So if they given any question, I can do it. Is there anyone? Is there anyone? Kavinya?
Are you challenging?
Yeah, I'm challenging.
No, sorry.
Now,
Sorry, Dr.
Kavinya, can do it now?
No, sir, I'm weak in maths.
Don't lose your confidence. So you keep your confidence. Even I or anyone challenging. When Pythagoras come and challenging you, you just say, what is it? Yeah, I know that one. Okay? Kavinya, shall you do it?
Yes, if upon the Pythons can challenge me.
Huh?
Hereafter, if I go up, only Pythagoras can challenge me.
Right, okay, no problem. Wherever you meet him and what is that they ask from him, why you found these things, okay? So, look at this one. Shall I give a question? Madam,
Okay, sir.
shall I give it? Okay, look at this one. So, Kavi and I are going to do this one, okay? 3,
Not me.
8, 9, 9, 9. Nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. Okay, help me, Kavinya. Nearest 10, what to do? What I thought you do the same thing, it will be okay. So tell me what to do.
39,000. 39,000.
38,999. Not the answer. Tell me what we should do. Step by step.
Yeah, the nearest. Okay. Step by step mean add one to the tens place.
No. I told you this is tens. Nearest 10 mean what to do first.
We have to see whether the unit place is lesser than 5 or greater than
A
5.
fool. I told you when it's tens place, what you should do first. What to do first?
We have to know the tens place.
Go and mark the tens place and check the place before it. What is the place? You know, I told you, no, Kavina, she is advanced. Here, directly answer giving. Tell me.
Sir, for all the three answers, 13,000 only, sir.
I know that you are advanced. You have good knowledge. I told you, no, who am that in challenging you? You have good
Okay,
knowledge.
okay.
Pythagoras come and challenge you. Tell me. Here, look at it. What is the place before it? What is the place before it?
9.
So,
One's place.
One's place.
sorry?
One's place.
One's place.
One's
What is the
place.
one's place number, Kavinya?
9
9 means equal to 5, greater than 5 or less than 5?
greater than 5.
Greater than 5 mean what we should do for this 9?
Add 1.
But when I'm adding 1, something is going to be happen here. 1 and 9.
Yeah, it's influencing in the fruit one also.
1 and 9.
10.
10,
10.
put 0 and remaining 1. 1 and 9.
10.
10.
10, 0, 1 remain. 1 and 8.
9.
9.
9 and here we have 3. This 9 become as
0.
0. So what is the answer?
0.
39,000.
You see, I don't know. Govinda knows the answer, right? Okay.
39,000.
Look at it. Next one. 38999. Hikma. Hikma.
Yes, sir.
Hikma, she said she can't understand everything. Now I'm
Yes,
challenging
sir.
to Hikma also,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. Hikma, 100 place.
So I'm there. Shh. Yeah, I'm there, sir.
Okay. You are there. I know. 100 place.
100 place is 9.
100 place is which 9?
Nine,
This
sir.
first time, right side, first one or second one or third one?
The third one.
Huh? This is
Next
100
to the.
place.
Next to the.
Next
Yeah.
to the 8. Okay, good. What is the place before it?
Tens place.
What is the number on there?
9.
9 mean greater than 5 or equal to 5 or lesser than 5.
Greater than 5.
Greater mean what we should for this 9.
We should add 1 to that
When
9.
I add 1, what will happen? 1 and 9, how much?
10.
Put 0 and 1 remain. 1 and 8.
9.
And this is?
9.
And this is?
3.
3. These two
3,
9s,
3.
what will happen?
Become 0.
Become 0. Now you see Hikma said can't understand anything. I don't know anything. Now she's giving answer. Okay. 1000 place. Anyone else? What is the answer?
1000 place 8. 8.
8. 3, 8, 9, 9, 9, 8. What is the place before it?
Hundreds place.
Number is there.
It's 100 place.
Number.
9.
9 mean
100.
greater than 5.
Yeah.
Add 1. What is the answer?
9. 9.
9.
3, 9, 0, 0, 0.
Okay.
All
39,000. Can you understand others even?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Kavinya, when challenging, don't scared. Are you
No,
challenging? I can't do it like that way. Don't scared. Next question is the next page one. The length of the rectangular base, the cubeboard shape, like that way it comes on.
No, sir,
So
you give such easy questions. That's why.
yeah, this is easy, no?
No, sir, sometimes you give hard questions like dying. That's
Shall I give a question now?
No worries, sir.
Right. So another
Sir,
one
no
question
thanks,
is
sir.
because I think today it's not good to give it. Next week we'll. Yeah, like okay.